So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the trend line and the return to order block strategy. All right, so if you've noticed what a trend line is and you've known what a order block is, in today's video I'll be showing you how to combine the two concepts together to take any trade on the volatility 10 index market or any other market aside the volatility 10 index. Okay, so we already know what a trend line is. So when you see something like this, okay, or you see something like this is like a trend line. And then for a trend line, what you want to watch out for is for like a touch, okay, like the first touch here and then the move here, then this like a second touch, and then for the next touch you can decide to take a buy here. Okay, the same is true for the sell. So when you have a trend line like this and then price comes and make a first touch here, moves, and then make another touch, moves away, then definitely you can, or sorry, the reverse will be the case. So when you have something like this, okay, so this is how you want to make use of the trend line here: the first touch, the second touch, and then when price retraces, then you want to take a sell somewhere here and sell down. Okay, so that's how you want to make use of a trend line. So there are basically two ways to make use of a trend line. Is either you use it just like the first case I showed you here now. Okay, you wait for a touch here, okay, and a second touch, and then a third touch before you take a buy. Okay, or what you can do is wait for a touch and then a second touch and then a third touch that will break out. Okay, that will break out and then retest and then start going down. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make use of this breakout and then a return to order block so that you'll be able to take any trade for yourself. Okay, so let's just quickly go into today's video so that you'll be able to see how to do that. And already I believe you already know what an order block is and how to spot an order block. But if you don't know how to spot an order block, then definitely I will also be showing you in this video so that you'll be able to know how to spot an order block. Okay, but from what we can see from this particular trade here, we can see that we are already in profit, and this sell here, you can see the stop loss level and the take profit. Okay, so we expect price to get to this particular level because we've already anticipated what price is going to do. Okay, as always, before you want to make use of this trend line and the return to order block, which is just an entry point, you want to do proper analysis. Okay, you don't just want to jump into the market, and because I have showed you how to make use of a trend line and a return to order block, you think you can just go and make money like that. No, you have to understand what the market is doing. Okay, and that is the first point I'm going to start from. Okay, so the first thing you want to do whenever you open your chart is go to the time frame that you are comfortable with. Okay, as for me, I like doing my analysis on the daily time frame because the daily time frame gives me a perspective of what I'm supposed to know to do. Okay, so when I go to the daily time frame, what are the things I want to look out for? Okay, I want to look out for the direction of the market. Okay, is the market going down? Okay, and then is the market going up? Okay, and then I want to look at the general behavior of the market. Okay, so if you are watching and you are new to my YouTube channel and this is how you want to trade, then I believe you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel now and also turn on your notification bell because this is how you want to become profitable. Okay, I know most of you are always looking for indicators that will make you $1, $2, $3, but believe me, this is what you want to do. If you want to be a trader, if you want to actually call yourself a trader, not a gambler, then this is what you are supposed to be doing. Don't be looking for indicators. Indicators will not help you. Okay, that is why I've stopped posting indicators on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are part of those that are waiting for indicator, there I want to tell you that you should go look elsewhere. Okay, because I want to give you something that will last and make you a profitable trader. Okay, so that is why I'm always taking out time to explain whatever it is. Okay, so I know a lot of you are always looking for something that will just perform a magic and tell you enter now, come out now. No, that is not trading, that is gambling. Okay, so it's better you take your money elsewhere and go and play gambling or bet Nigeria or something else. But if you want to become profitable, then definitely this is what you want to be watching at. Okay, so when I open my chart on the daily time frame, what I notice is that you can see that this has been like, okay, like market has been down so far. Okay, so if market has been down so far, what you want to do is for you to note that whatever decision you'll be making should be in a downward direction. Okay, and then when that happen, what you can see is that there has been like a liquidity sweep. Remember I talked about liquidity sweep in my previous video. Okay, so this is like a liquidity sweep here. Okay, market swept, took out all the stop loss here, grab liquidity, and then you can see that market have started selling down at this point. So when you come to your chart and you notice this, then definitely you will notice that this is what price is doing, and you want to position yourself for like a retracement, which you see here now, and then a sell downwards. Okay, and remember I talked about liquidity sweep, and in my previous video of yesterday I remember talking about weak price taking out week. Okay, so you can see that when we look at this particular level here, we can see price taking out this week here, and it's like a like a break of structure here. Okay, price taking out week at this particular level here. Okay, so it was like a liquidity sweep downwards. Okay, telling us that the price trying to go downward, the resistance has been removed. Okay, at this level here and here. Okay, so if you notice this liquidity sweep, it actually happened at this particular order block here on the daily time frame. Okay, on this daily time frame you can see, okay, price tapped into this order block. Remember I talked about order block being the last buy candle before the sell, before the move. Okay, so this our bearish order block. Okay, this blue candle is our bearish order block because it was our last buy candle before we bought. Okay, and also this one here can be termed as a bullish order block because this was our last sell candle before our buy. Okay, so after the liquidity sweep and the market tapped into this order block, you can see the sell down. Okay, so now we have to go down to a lower time frame to refine our entry. Okay, to see how we actually took this trade, and then on the 4 hour you will notice that there was like an order block. Okay, after the last break of structure here. Okay, this was like, okay, market taking out. Okay, and then we can see that our high here, okay, has been respecting our analysis since. Okay, so this just gives us an idea that market is moving, okay, in a downward, and then market is retracing, and then definitely market wants to go downward. Okay, so it will not be right for you to be buying this market except you just want to scalp. Okay, but the true definition or the true direction of this market is that market is going down. So for those of you that wants to position yourself for more sell position, you can wait for market to retrace a little before finally going down, because market is still going to retrace. So after this you can notice that this was like our order block here. Okay, remember while we are talking about a return to order block. Okay, so price is kind of like returning to this order block, but if we refine it more, okay, because this particular order block here is too large for us here on this 4 hour time frame, we can go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, to get a more accurate order block level. Okay, so and then when we do that, we can see that definitely we can see a more like a more specific order block level here. Okay, so we can make use of this particular pin bar order block. Okay, you can see this pin bar order block at this particular level. Okay, so this is the pin bar order block here. Okay, so it was the last buy candle before market started selling and doing all that it was doing. And then when we notice that, you will notice that now we have our order block level. Okay, that price has returned to. Remember we are talking about trend line break and then the return to order block. Okay, now let us look at the trend line break. Okay, so let us look at the trend line break before we talk about the return to order block. Okay, so the trend line break actually happened at this particular level here. So if we go to the 30 minutes time frame, okay, we can see where market actually broke out of this trend line. Okay, so market actually broke out from this trend line, so we can see the like the trend line break. Okay, so we can see like the trend line break. So if we go to maybe like, okay, like the 15 minutes time frame, we can refine it to somewhere around here. Okay, so somewhere around here, so that it will give us a better insight, like a sniper entry. Okay, so we can see like this is like a trend line break. Okay, remember I said that price we want to touch. Okay, so what price wants to do is to make a first touch move, second touch, and then we either buy here to go up. But we see that price make that first touch, came down here, bought up, and then came and broke out. Okay, when price broke out, it gives us an idea that price wants to start kind of like selling, but what we want to do is to wait for extra confirmation, and that was what happened here. So we've talked about the trend line break. So this was where actually the break of trend line occur, and now we have our order block, which is this particular candle here, this blue candle, and that is why price had to return back, test that particular order block, and definitely after that we can say, oh, price is kind of like going down, and you can see what happened. So after this candle, then the next candle would have been a good entry for anyone to take a sell position. Okay, and then if you refine it to the 5 minutes entry, definitely you can see it more clearly. Okay, so you can see this pin bar, this kind of like a gravestone, they call it a gravestone. Okay, when that happens, you know that, oh, definitely price is going down. Okay, so guys, you can wait for a retracement if you are getting to see this video now. Okay, definitely price is not should not exceed this particular level here. Okay, so you want to take advantage of what price is doing now. Okay, take advantage here and wait for price to get here before you position yourself for another sale. Okay guys, so I believe you've gained value from today's video. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now. Kindly turn on your notification bell and make sure you share this video, guys. Okay, do well to share this video and leave a comment in the comment description telling me what video you want me to do. Definitely I'll do it for you. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next trading video. So cheers guys, and stay profitable.